Okay, so we're going to demonstrate how to compile an ESP32 program and run the program virtually. So the compiling will be done by PlatformIO, and the simulation will be run using Wokwi. The program we will use is a pre-made example and can be found on the Wokwi documentation website. We'll be demoing with the async web server example, but you can choose whatever you want. So clicking on the link opens a GitHub repo. Just hit that code button, and then we'll copy the repo's URL. Then go to terminal and type git clone followed by the repo URL. Just paste it in there. Mac and Linux systems usually have Git installed by default. When the repo is cloned, the contents are saved into the directory highlighted. So we'll cd into the directory to list its contents. Okay, there's some hidden files, so let's use a -a flag to list the hidden files. Alright, don't clear the screen, keep the terminal open for now, and then we'll return to it shortly. Alright, now in VSCode, open the project directory we just cloned. Okay, so observe the lower right corner showing PlatformIO initializing. VSCode automatically detects the directory as a PlatformIO project and calls the plugin to initialize. Alright, so when PlatformIO initializes, there's a .pio directory that's created. It's a hidden directory. This is where the compiled binaries are output. So let's hit Command-Shift-P and try to run the simulation. At this point, Wokwi can't run anything because there's no binaries to load or emulate. If you look at the lower right hand corner, you'll see that Wokwi looks for a firmware.bin file, which doesn't exist yet. We'll need to compile the project to create this file. So hit Command-Shift-P again and select PlatformIO build. Okay, so we could close these dialog boxes for now. One thing to note is that inside the src directory, there's a .ino file that has our source code. That file gets copied into a CPP file as an intermediary during the compiling process. So notice that all these files output to the .pio hidden directory. Okay, so now let's run the simulator. Bam. Okay, so if you look at the bottom of the sim output, we can see that the device runs a server that we could connect to on 8180 off localhost. So we just open our browser and type in localhost :8180. And see that we could activate the LEDs using the front end provided.